Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this very delicious coconut garlic butter shrimp and scallop combo mix recipe, right? So right here, I have 340 grams of raw shrimp, right? I already went ahead and removed the shell off camera. Also, I have some scallop bites, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a half teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and massage my season into my meat, right? And I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for 10 minutes before I start the cooking process. So right here, I have 6 cloves of garlic, and I also have a shallot, right? And little parsley I'm gonna use. First, I'm gonna start by finely chopping my garlic. And guys, if you haven't checked out the Chef's Hot knife as yet, right? I'll leave a couple links in the description below. What are you waiting on? Trust me, this knife is off the chain. Alright, so I'm also finely chopping my shallot. Guys, just look how amazing this knife is. Wow. Also, finely chopping my parsley. With my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with 2 tablespoons of corn oil. And I'm just gonna toss my pot round a bit, just to ensure the oil is level in the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my shrimp and scallop. And guys, immediately as I drop it in the pot, you smell a sweet aroma into it. Trust me, it smells so awesome, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes, right? Guys, look how beautiful this looks. Trust me, you should be smelling the aroma right now. Trust me, wow, it's amazing. So after finish sauteing for 3 to 4 minutes, I'm now removing them from the pot, right? And guys, you don't want to rinse the pot out, right? So now I'm going in with 1 stick of unsalted butter. Also gonna add my garlic. Also my shallot, right? And I'm just gonna saute until my shallot become translucent, right? Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour, right? And the flour is to help thicken the coconut milk, right? To give it a nice creamy texture. Now I'm going in with 400 ml of coconut milk. And you just need to go ahead and stir it a bit, right? Because you want to make sure that there isn't any lumps, right? You want this to be smooth and rich. Now I'm gonna add some salt to taste. And guys, if you use a salted butter, you don't have to add any more salt, right? Also gonna add some black pepper to taste. Also, half teaspoon of oregano. Also, 1 teaspoon of chives. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And guys, this is optional, right? Because I want mine to have a little kick in it, I'm adding the pepper. And guys, this recipe is my creation, so just remember, you see it here first, right? Alright, so now I'm going in with my shrimp and scallops, right? And I'm just blending everything together, right? So you just need to stir it thoroughly. Look at it. Wow, this is magic right here. Alright, so for the final touch, I'm now going in with my parsley, right? Guys, tell the truth. Look at it. I know your mouth is saliving right now. Wow, look how beautiful this look. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright. I already have some potato boiling, right? I'm gonna make some garlic mashed potatoes. Trust me. This is what I'm gonna eat mine with. Guys, if you reached thus far in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Help me to bring you content like these, right? By subscribing to my channel. Alright? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of tasting, right? Look how delicious this look. Wow. Speechless.